Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Alter Tech back again with another video, and in front of me is the Samsung Galaxy Pro Tab 12.2 inches. Now this came out about 4, maybe 5 years ago, and I've been using this pretty much for my entire duration of college. So what's this video about? Now this video is about the, it's about the Digital Gadgets Universal Bluetooth Keyboard Case. Now is this sponsored? No, it's not sponsored. How did I get this product? Why would I even go ahead and waste my money on some cheap Bluetooth keyboards? Well, good question. Well, first off, during the past couple months, I've seen Toys R Us go out of business. I've seen Kmart go out of business. I've seen Sears. Well, Sears is still going out of business, but they're still alive. And now I'm seeing National Wholesale Liquidators going out of business. Now, all these stores are in close proximity to my house, so when they close down, it does have a impact on my life. So pretty much you have less options of buying things, and pretty much you're just set on using Amazon primarily as your online shopping source. So I was trying to do the unboxing video, but I was having some issues. I was just but let's just go through the box. Let's see what we have. It's a slim, stylish, compact design and small enough to take on the go. Has a 3-in-1 functionality, Bluetooth keyboard. It's a stand, and it can use as a carrying case. Turn your tablet into a laptop. Hard key design for added comfort. Built-in rechargeable battery. You can use it for the iPads and the Android tablets, but make sure it's about 10 inches or less. Now this is a 12.2 inch tablet, so it's not going to fit on this. So I was walking around in National Wholesale Liquidators, and pretty much everything in the store is just pretty much gone. So I was in the electronics section, and I did find this Bluetooth keyboard. All right, so I saw this guy for about $2, and I picked it up, and I was like, you know what, I have nothing to lose. It's only $2. How bad can it be? So looking at the case, it has like that imitation leather to it. It's has these stitches. You could actually fool someone into thinking that it's a premium product. Now I used to work in Best Buy, and I used to see all these Bluetooth foldable laptop, tablet keyboards on sale, and they were pretty much at least $40. I thought it was just basically overpriced. I would never touch it. Let's just I'm not too excited to actually use a Bluetooth keyboard. I don't think I'm gonna use it on a daily, but this is gonna be my first experience using a Bluetooth keyboard on my tablet. So as we open it up, we have the keyboard, which is removable from the stand, and it actually clips on with magnets, so it doesn't really move out of place. So let's see, we have the connect button, the on and off button. Now this reminds me of my Dell wired keyboard, the same keyboard that came with it for free with the desktop. So let's see, the keys. Okay, it does feel cheap, but it's not too bad. It's not flimsy. Like, it's not going to affect the way I type. It's not annoying, and there's not much resistance. It's pretty good. So let's just see how it performs. All right, so as for the case, you do have a kickstand in the back, and let's see, we do have some extra hinges that came with this. So these are black. You can actually pull these off. Say your tablet is just way too small for this, you can just pull this off and just readjust it like that. I think this is like some kind of like Velcro material. It's very smooth, so it doesn't really damage your tablet. So let's let's test it out. All right, so basically I got my tablet, so I'm just gonna open up the Bluetooth menu. Well, Bluetooth is already on, so I just turn this on. So you're gonna see a Bluetooth 3.0 keyboard. Tap that. Tap connect on your keyboard. Hopefully it's not dead. Okay, so connected to input device. All right, so we're connected. All right, so let's try this out with Google Docs. Okay, so far it's been pretty functional. Let's see. Now I do have gloves on, and I am, I have a camera in front of me. I can't really reach and see what I'm typing, but let's see. So today is Tuesday, November. Hey Google, what's today's date? Hey Google, what's today's date?
It is Tuesday, the 20th of November 2018.
Hey Google, what's the weather today?
In Bayonne today, it'll be clear with a forecasted high of 48 and a low of 33. Right now it's 45 and partly cloudy.
Okay, so far it's pretty good. I don't have any issues. I just have to get used to the keyboard layout. It is kind of smaller than my normal keyboard size, but it's not too small, and it's pretty decent. I can definitely see myself typing up an entire essay with this. It's not too bad for that. You just gotta get used to the keys and stuff. If you're coming from a netbook, this should be you should feel at home. And if you want to put this on your lap and just type from your lap, I can do this right here. Okay, so for black crap, okay, I just suggest you guys do it on a flat surface. Okay, so you could probably be on a table, have it over here and just type it up, so it works that way. So alright guys, so since this is my first Bluetooth keyboard, what's my first impressions? I gotta give it a thumbs up. This is pretty cool. For just under $5, this was pretty much a steal. First off, I'd like to thank National Wholesale Liquidators for pretty much closing down and discounting it. It works pretty good. It functions. It's very responsive. I don't think there's any lag. It's pretty good. I mean, I'm not a fast typer, so it's not like I'm going to be losing out. I mean, see for yourself. It works pretty good. So again, this is the Digital Gadgets Universal Bluetooth Keyboard Case, wire-free Bluetooth technology. Let's see how fast it actually charges up. I believe, let's see. Takes about 2 to 3 hours for a maximum battery charge. They suggest that you don't charge it all the way or overcharge it. Alright, so the connectivity was pretty easy. It didn't take me too long to connect it. Basically, you just turn the on switch, hit the connect button, turn on your Bluetooth on your tablet, search for devices, and then it's going to ask you to type in a code. So you type in the 6 digits over here, you press enter, and then it's pretty much paired and you're good to go. That's just for the first pairing. After that, all you gotta do is turn on the Bluetooth over here and hit connect on your keyboard. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I could definitely see someone actually using this to type up some paperwork for their school. Now, I'd rather just use a computer. That's just my preference. But if you're on the go and you do need perhaps to type up some things, like for example, say I was in college and I would take this with me every day. And it kind of sucks bringing your laptop and your tablet. So with this keyboard, I can just get away with just carrying this and my tablet. You guys want to take a look at this case again? Sure, go ahead. We have the magnets over here, so you could position your keyboard anywhere you want. It's a nice smooth finish. We do have a nice leather design, nice stitching. Looks very premium. Alright, so let me know what you guys think. Do you have any questions? Maybe I might do a little giveaway. So this is AlterTech with the Bluetooth wireless keyboard. Alright, so this is AlterTech with the wireless Bluetooth keyboard by Digital Gadgets. If you guys have any questions or comments, let me know. Alright, so maybe if you're lucky, you could head down to your local National Wholesale Liquidators, and there might be a few pieces left. Who knows? Now, I did get this one in Jersey City, so maybe there's a few pieces left. I'm not sure. If I have the chance, I'll probably go down and pick up a few more if there's any left. Now, if any of you guys, maybe I might do a giveaway. You do have the charger port over here. It's very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. Gets the job done. Type. All right, and if you're ready to just turn it off and conserve battery life, just hit the off switch, and that's it. It's disconnected, and you could just take your keyboard, place it over here. Take your tablet, place it over here, close it up, and just there's a little magnet over here. You can see the imprint. Take the latch, put it over here, and I don't think it's gonna fly open. Let me see. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it's gonna just flap open and just have everything fall out. So very impressive for under $5. This was definitely a steal. And you also do have your nice little kickstand. Great product by Digital Gadgets. This is AlterTech signing out. If you have any questions about this product, let me know. Alright, so if you guys have any questions or comments, please hit me up below. I love talking to you guys. I love communicating. I love helping people out. Just hit me up. This is AlterTech. I hope you guys have a great Tuesday. Signing out. Peace.